Hello, welcome to my another session. In this session, I will talk about the human penis. As you see, the penis as well as the scrotum, these two parts are embedded from the body. That's why it forms the external genitalia or external part of the male reproductive system. The penis, which is consists of two parts, this portion, which is known as the body or the shaft, and the attachment region is known as the root of the penis. Internally, the penis, it has three erectile muscles. The paired erectile muscle is known as corpus cavernosum, which is present at the dorsal side. Deep to the corpus cavernosum, there is the artery. And around the urethra, around the spongy urethra or penile urethra, there is the another unpaired muscle is known as corpus spongiosum. That's why here is three or erectile muscles. One is paired muscle, another is the unpaired muscle. The penis consists of an attached root and a free shaft or body that ends in a enlarged tip, the glans penis. So this is the enlarged part which is known as the glans penis. The skin covering the penis is loose and it slides distally to form a cuff of skin called the prepuce or foreskin around the glans penis. Frequently, the foreskin is surgically removed shortly after birth. A procedure is called the circumcision. So, the removal of prepuce is known as the circumcision. Internally, the penis consists the spongy urethra and three long cylindrical bodies, corpora, of the erectile tissue, each bound by corpus tunica albuginea. So this is the penis which has three muscles. The paired muscle, this is known as the corpus cavernosum, present at the dorsal side, and the unpaired muscle around the urethra is known as the corpus spongiosum. The corpus spongiosum proximally end is also enlarged, forming the part of the root called the bulb of penis. The bulb is covered externally by the sheet-like bulbospongiosus muscle. It is secured to the urogenital diaphragm. The paired dorsal erectile bodies called corpora cavernosa, which make up most of the penis. Their proximal end forms the crura of the penis. Each crus is surrounded by the ischiocavernosus muscle and anchors to the pubic arch of the bony pelvis. So this is the structure of the penis. There is no hair follicles on the opposing surfaces but prepusal glands in the skin of the neck, and the inner surface of the prepuce secretes a waxy material known as segma. Segma is an excellent nutrient source of the bacteria, and mild inflammation and infection in this region are common. So such problems become more likely if the area is not washed thoroughly and frequently. So one way of avoiding trouble is to perform a circumcision. Many adolescent males worry about whether or not, their penises are normal in size. These concerns are usually groundless, for considerable variation exists between the sizes of the flaccid and erect penises of different individuals. Although 15 cm or 6 inches can be considered as average value for an erect penis, significantly smaller or larger organs are preferred capable of performing their intended function. In some mammals, notably the carnivores such as dogs and seals, the penis is further strengthened by a special bone. The caudal part of the glands of the penis of the dog, the bulbous gland, is usually becomes endowed with blood after the penis enters the vagina of the female. This arrangement makes separation difficult until erection has subsided. The preputial glands or the waxy gland, which present at the inner surface of the prepuce, which also known as the gland of Tyson, according to some workers. So this is the total structure of the human penis, which acts as the copulatory organ, serves as the copulatory organ at the time of copulation. The erected penis is entered into the female vagina and deposit the semen into the female reproductive tract. Thank you for watching.